Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna make some slime and I'm gonna show you how to make slime. Okay, now I think it said 15, so I'm gonna put 15. It's so hard to do it. Oh, I just covered it. Okay, I think that's good. Now, I need something to hold it. I'll be right back. It looks like a skinny mountain. Alright! Oh, there's another one. A real temper. Ah! I got some glue. Ah! Okay, I think that's good. Wait, did I spell? See, now I need this. It's slime activator. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god. Now I need something to mix with. I'm just gonna do this. Now I'm mixing it. Okay, I only need a wipe after this. Oh, it makes slime, look! Oh, it makes slime. Wipe there. Ah, it keeps going everywhere. Okay. This is what it looks like. Hey, we made slime! Ah, here's a little... Ew! Stop it! It's going everywhere. Okay. I don't think you guys can see, but if you do, this is what it looks like. Ah! Something bumped. Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna use it with my hand. Okay, that's what it looks like. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It's still... That was funny. Ah, there's a little squishy thing. It feels soft. I think that what happens when you make your slime like that. It makes these. Let's see if it. Ooh, that's a. Ooh. 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 Oh my god, we made a pretty good slime. I'm gonna turn the slime forward. It's gonna be hard. They're only experts at making slime. Okay, so it's gonna be hard. Okay, now we're gonna slime. I pretty like this. Now I'm just gonna show you how I pop it because it's popits. Now Hurry. Ooh, my favorite pink. And this reddish thing, I don't know what it's called. No, this one. Ooh. This one is cool. Let's do it. I'm trying to do that 3 at a time, but you can't do it. Okay, it's hard. I'm just gonna maybe 2. Maybe 2 could be that hard. Try all together. Ooh! Let's do it again. There. Oh my god, he loves these puppets. These were for his birthday. I took off. My mommy did it, and it was and she cut off 4 inches or something. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next